European leaders have acted with anger and defiance after the US decision to pull out of the Paris Agreement. French President Emmanuel Macron has called the US move a mistake for the future of our planet.
I do respect this sovereign decision, but I regret it, and I consider that he made an error for the interest of his country and his people, and a mistake for the future of our planet. In no case will we renegotiate a less ambitious agreement.
European Commission President Jean-Claude Juncker also slammed the Trump decision as seriously wrong. Echoing this sentiment was EU Commissioner for Climate Action and Energy, who pledged continued global leadership on climate change. In Berlin, German Chancellor Angela Merkel expressed regret at the decision and called for a continuation of climate policies which preserve our world. While in London, British Prime Minister Theresa May told Trump during a phone call that climate accord was a safety net for future generations. Dutch Prime Minister Mark Rutte said he regrets Trump's decision, saying that addressing climate change is not only necessary but also offers global economic opportunities. Stefan Dujarric, spokesman for the United Nations Secretary-General, said the US move is a major disappointment, and Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said in a statement that US decision is disheartening and pledged to work with the world to combat climate change. Citing a litany of figures, Trump argued that the pact would hurt domestic manufacturing and other industries and would put the US at a disadvantage with China, India and other rising powers. However, under the agreement, the US withdrawal from the accord cannot actually be finalized until near the end of Trump's term. Li Jianhua, CGTN.